Do you drink water from copper bottle every day? Do you store drinking water in copper bottle or copper jar overnight? Hi, today I will tell you everything about copper bottle water. Do you know copper water has any health benefits or not? Drinking copper water is very much trending and is supported by many practices like Ayurveda. Copper water is prepared at home by storing drinking water in copper bottle or some copper jar. But do you know this practice is beneficial or not, or it is just a fad? You will not get copper water in any health store or any supermarket. You have to prepare it at home. Copper is a trace element, means it requires in very small quantity. Copper has many body functions such as production of energy, connective tissue and brain's chemical messaging system. Copper is widely found in foods such as shellfish, nuts, seeds, potatoes, whole grain products, dark chocolate and organ meat. Proponents of this practice states that storing water in copper bottle allows copper to get infused into water and give its benefits to us. But both deficiency and excess will have bad effect on our body. Also, let me tell you, copper deficiency is very uncommon, means copper deficiency is rarely found. Daily copper intake recommendation by Standard American Diet is 0.9 milligram per day. Copper has many health benefits like better heart and brain health, immunity boosting, anti-aging, but it is unlikely that copper water provides these health benefits. Means these are the health benefits of copper mineral and not copper water. These health benefits are actually reflection of copper's role in our body and not copper water, which may not be provided by drinking copper water. One of the most important benefit of copper backed by science is its antibacterial effect. It is proved that copper can be used in water purification or sterilization technique. This may be specially beneficial for estimated 1 billion population who don't have access to safe drinking water. Contaminated water may contain many bacteria which cause diarrhea and further damage to our body and health. Fortunately, simply storing regular drinking water in copper vessel may kill these bacteria if they are present in small amount. The term contact killing is used to describe copper's antibacterial effect. Researchers believe that exposure to copper causes killing of bacteria by causing damage to their cell walls. But to achieve successful antibacterial effect of copper water, we have to store water in copper vessel for many hours. That means filling this pricey copper water bottle overnight will not be having much sterilization effect. Rather, keeping water in copper pots for longer period will be beneficial. Now let me tell you side effects of this practice. Sometimes drinking water stored in copper bottle develops bitter taste to it and it's terrible idea to drink that water. So don't drink such bitter copper water. Instead, go for regular filtered water. You should go for copper bottle water which is kept for more than 16 hours and which is not bitter in taste. Now I will tell you side effects of excess copper intake. Excess copper intake may cause copper toxicity which is characterized by nausea, vomiting, diarrhea and abdominal pain. Sometimes it may lead to liver damage and kidney diseases. Sometimes copper toxicity is developed by consuming stagnant water that flows through copper pipes. WHO recommends that no more than 0.47 mg of copper per cup or 2 mg per liter of water. This ensures that tolerable upper intake of 10 mg per day should not be exceeded. Studies show that even if you store water for up to 16 hours, amount of leached copper is well below WHO's safety limits. WHO means World Health Organization. You have to limit your copper water intake up to 3 cups per day. That means 710 ml per day. So remember three things. You have to store drinking water in copper bottle for at least 16 hours. Don't drink copper bottle water more than 3 cups per day or 710 ml per day. Remember, if you can't drink copper bottle water, it doesn't matter much because copper deficiency is very uncommon, means it is very rare, and you will get required copper through many food sources. So yes, you can avoid copper water and go for regular filtered water. But you have to eat food sources that contain copper. You have to ask your nutritionist which food sources contain copper. If you like this video, do give thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more nutrition related content. Now I will show you how to clean this copper bottle in proper way. Here I have taken a copper bottle which needs to be cleaned. I have bought some powder to clean copper pots from supermarket. First, rinse your copper bottle or copper jar with water. Now pour some powder on wet surface of bottle and rub it. Rub the powder until dark spots on the bottle get vanished. You have to repeat this procedure either 1 or 2 times. Now I am cleaning the lid of bottle with same powder. You can see the color difference after applying this powder. You can also clean other copper jars or pots from your kitchen by using same powder. Now I am trying to clean this water bottle from inside, but I am unable to pass my hand inside the bottle because bottle has very narrow mouth. So let me tell you some other idea to clean this bottle from inside. Now I have cleaned this bottle under running water. You can see after rubbing this powder, copper bottle is shining like a new store-bought bottle and all stains are gone from its surface. Now I will show you how to clean this narrow copper bottle from inside. Here I have taken some hot water and I am carefully pouring that water inside the copper bottle. You can use some cloth piece to avoid burning of fingers. Let this water sit for 10 to 15 minutes inside the bottle. Throw away this hot water carefully after 15 minutes and now you can fill this bottle with regular drinking water.